Freetress sequel Valentino wig. I loved you so much that I had to purchase you a friend. So I did. And her name is PB530.
Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you are turning on your notifications so you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week's Wig Wednesday video is going to be an update on the Freetress Valentino wig that I absolutely loved. I purchased the Freetress Equal Valentino wig in the color number 2. I loved it so much that I went back and bought another one, and this one is Freetress Valentino in PB530. So you'll see it's dark with like a reddish burgundy highlight. After I customized my Freetress Valentino wig in the color number 2, I went ahead and did the same thing to this wig as well. I learned a really cool trick on how to mask the line of demarcation, so I wanted to share that with you guys in addition to my final thoughts on the Freetress Equal Valentino wig. I'm giving the Freetress Equal Valentino wig a 10 out of 10. I love my color number 2, and I also love this one as well. No tangling, no shedding, very lightweight, and of course no lace to cut. So if you'd like to see how I customized and styled this Freetress Equal Valentino wig, keep on watching.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? I tell no simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever, telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'm a quick, you gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror, are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'm a quick, you gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, liar. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through.